Good morning, scale. I'm 175 this morning. Woohoo! That means I'm 7 pounds away. 7 pounds away. Hello, I'm still 7 pounds away, you guys. 7 pounds. Woohoo! Okay, sorry. Lunch today, I have my 2 1/4 patties of burgers from last weekend meal prep. So I just broke it into bite-sized pieces. So 6 ounces of 80/20 ground beef burgers and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. I'm going to put on some adobo. Oh, and a coworker had some tomatoes. These little cherry tomatoes. So I had 3 of those. I'm going to put on some adobo seasoning. I'm going to put on some Tony's seasoning. If you want something different, you just put whatever your little heart desires. Okay, so that is going to be my lunch. It's what, 11:22? I've already had my protein coffee, and I've had 2 of these with electrolytes. And so I'll see you. Supper. I've got a Bible study tonight. So supper is going to be here at work. I brought it with me. So that's what I'll be eating for supper. I'll show you then. Okay, bye. Y'all, I'm such a lightweight. I had 2 Midol at work today. Oh my gosh, I can hardly keep my eyes open. I can't even focus. Just 2 Midol. 2 Midol. Yeah, and I had to come home. I left at 4 today. I feel like sleepy and drunk all at the same time. Reminder, Terry, future Terry, never take Midol again. Okay, let me show you what we're having to supper. I was supposed to go Bible study, but I couldn't even do that. Hang on, I'll show you what I'm eating. I'm just going for basic tonight because, yeah, I can't even focus on what I'm going to put in my mouth. And I've already got it all plugged into chronometer, so I sure don't want to have to try to think about what I'm going to plug in. So, this is some that and that. Midol. So, 6 ounces of 80/20 ground beef, 2 servings of California blend, and these are 4 tomatoes that I got from a coworker. That's my supper tonight. Okay, bye. Here's my macronutrients for the day. Bye, guys.